What if a time traveler helped Bhutan win the Duar War? I didn't mean to travel through time, but time doesn't ask permission. And when the light faded, I was no longer in 2026, I was in 1864. Bhutan stood on the edge of war. The Duar War was about to begin, and history was about to decide the fate of generations. A mountain military camp, warriors preparing for battle, and there he stands, Jigme Namgyal, strong, silent, watching everything. He notices me immediately. "Who are you?" I bow. "I am from Bhutan, from the future." The camp bursts into laughter. It is not easy to convince them, but when I showed them my latest iPhone, they believed it. But Jigme Namgyal does not laugh. He simply says, "Then tell me why you have come." I open a map. The Duars appear, fertile plains, a gateway to Bhutan's future prosperity. If you lose this war, Bhutan loses this land, and with it, opportunities your descendants will struggle for centuries to recover. Jigme Namgyal studies me carefully. Then what must we do? I take a breath. I open my bag, show him a surveillance drone, a satellite map and GPS, and some secure radios. This shows the position of every movement across land. This allows your scouts to see enemy movement before they arrive. This allows instant communication between distant forces. The warriors stare in disbelief. Some think it is magic. But Jigme Namgyal understands something deeper: advantage, precision, awareness. I begin training his scouts. They learn how to track enemy formations and coordinate silently across mountains. The battlefield is no longer blind. Bhutan can now see everything. Jigme Namgyal listens silently. Then he nods once. I understand. Days pass. War begins. British forces advance confidently. But something is different. Every movement is known. Drones capture troop positions. Every plan is detected. Every route is anticipated. The British are no longer unseen invaders. The mountains become Bhutan's advantage. The Duars become the battlefield. And for the first time, Bhutan is always one step ahead. The British commanders are confused. How do they know everything? Bhutan can now see the war before it happens. Months later, the impossible happens. The British are forced into retreat. A negotiation begins. The war ends in victory. A treaty is signed. The British agree to respect Bhutan's sovereignty. The Duars remain Bhutanese. Fertile plains preserved. History changed. That night, beside a fading fire, Jigme Namgyal asks, "What becomes of Bhutan after I'm gone?" I open the vision of time. His son, Ugyen Wangchuck, the first king, unifier of Bhutan, founder of the monarchy. Then the second king, protector of sovereignty. Then the third king, the father of modern Bhutan. Roads, schools, institutions. Bhutan joining the United Nations in 1971. A small kingdom standing equal among nations, respected, independent, heard. Then the fourth king. He gives Bhutan something the world had never seen: gross national happiness. Then the fifth king, a modern Bhutan, strong and respected, thousands of Gyaltsungs and Desups, youth in orange uniforms. Then I show him the future, Galefu Mindfulness City, a vision where development and nature exist together, agriculture, airports, trade hubs, universities, a Bhutan with both mountains and plains, tradition and expansion. Jigme Namgyal speaks softly. "So my actions today shaped all of this?" I nod. "Yes," he says. "Then victory in war is not for me alone. It is for those who will never know my name." The wind rises. My time machine activates. He gives me one final message. "Tell future Bhutan, do not only defend the land, build the future upon it. Build infrastructure, schools and industries, but build character faster than you build wealth." I return to 2026. Bhutan feels stronger, larger, more complete. Tradition thrives, but so does progress. The Dragon Kingdom is no longer just surviving history. It is shaping it. Respected like the world's greatest nations. What if Bhutan's future was decided not by war, but by vision and knowledge?